See here, the refractive index of a glass sphere of diameter 10 centimeter is 1.5. Find the position of the image of an object at infinity formed by the sphere. So, object is at infinity and the image is formed by the sphere. Where will be its image? Suppose there is a sphere, this is the center of the sphere, one ray is going like this and one ray is coming from infinity, it gets refracted and it meets here, the image is obtained here. But if this surface were not present here, the image might have obtained this at this point. This we can take as P1 and this we can take as P2. So, there are the two types of refraction is taking place, one is at this point and one is at this point. From the first surface, image obtained is I1 and refractive index known to us. So, we know the formula minus mu1 upon u plus mu2 upon v is equal to mu2 minus mu1 upon u. This is R. This is for the rarer to denser medium, that means for the first surface. Mu1 is 1, we know it. So, 1 upon infinity because object is at infinity plus mu2, that is 1.5 we can take. So, 1.5 upon, because mu2 of this glass is V, mu here that is 1.5 upon V1, we can take the V1 for that, is equal to 1.5 minus 1 upon R is here 5 centimeter, because this R is to this side. So, this term will become 0. So, 1.5 upon V1 is equal to here, that is 0.5 upon 5 here. So, this will be here the 10 and this will get cancelled. So, V1 is equal to 15 centimeter. So, image obtained by the first surface is here, this rarer to denser medium, actually here at the point I1. So, this image is acting as an object for the second surface. So, for the second surface we will be calculating first object distance. So, object distance for the second surface will be here, we can write P2I1 actually here, that is can be written 15 minus 10 is equal to 5 centimeter, and radius for this surface R is equal to minus 5 centimeter, because this is opposite to this. We can use now the formula for denser to rarer medium. So, we can write here mu1 upon V minus mu2 upon U is equal to mu2 minus mu1 upon minus R. Here mu1 upon V, this is here equal to here the V1. So, here that is P2I1, that is a 5 centimeter here. So, we can write here 1 upon V minus here 1.5 upon 5 is equal to 1.5 minus 1 upon minus 5 here. Now, we can solve. When we solve this, we will be getting 1 upon V is equal to here, this can be cancelled here, that is 3 by 10. So, that is going to this side. So, 1.5 is here, that is 0.5 upon 5 plus 3 by 10. So, that is 1 upon V is equal to 1 by 10 plus 3 by 10, and that we will be getting here 1 upon V is equal to 4 by 10. So, V is equal to 10 by 4, that is here 2.5 centimeter. So, final image is obtained at the distance of 2.5 centimeter from the P2, that is from the second surface.